nations are often ill-equipped to fight the epidemics that ravage their population. While Ebola, MERS and HIV/AIDS have made headlines, which other infectious diseases are quietly waiting to strike next?
In 2012, the United Nations estimated that 35.5 million people were living with HIV/AIDS. The same year, nearly 600 children were dying from HIV/AIDS every day. But other diseases have also been devastating. In 2012, tuberculosis afflicted 11 million people, while 6.1 million suffered from malaria. As for Ebola, the World Health Organization recorded 3,069 cases of the 20th of August 2014 and is expecting a total of 20,000 cases.
Medical research has made a lot of progress and has been re-energized by the prospect of not merely treating patients but of actually curing them. Medical equipment is sorely lacking in developing countries, but certain technologies are becoming available. So how can these help fight disease?
The way that technological development normally happens is that it's the tech people in the pharmaceutical industry and others who come up with ideas by themselves. I think there needs to be more collaboration with users, in particular the women who are going to be using these products, to actually understand what they need and how to increase their autonomy vis-à-vis their bodies.
But how does a major player in the healthcare sector confront these issues?
Technology is actually the opportunity. It allows us to understand much better the needs of every single patient. There is such an explosion of mobile sensors, mobile technology, wireless devices connected, that you can actually have a granularity of the understanding of each patient that will allow you to design solutions.
We used a large mobile phone dataset, which is collected by operators whenever you call or make a text, and it gives you an approximate location for each subscriber when they call. And so using that data from about 14 million people from the course of a year, we can build up a longitudinal map of travel patterns for the whole country. And if we combine that with epidemiological estimates and mathematical models to estimate the flow of malaria parasites in those travelers, then we can identify risk locations. So which are the areas that are primarily exporting parasites or sources, and which areas are primarily sinks or they're bringing imported infections. And that provides us a way to target resources.
Caroline Buckee's work gives credence to the idea of leveraging existing technology to diminish or even halt the spread of malaria and other diseases as well.